it's the future of culinary. There are other people practicing culinary diplomacy, other people talking about it, writing about it, but in terms of training, there's no other school to my knowledge that is holding these courses like we are here. It's pushing the students because a lot of the concepts we talk about are completely new to them. Geography and culture and trade and history, language, agriculture and health and wellness. How can you get these messages across when it's so easy to fork off into so many different conversations? The beauty in it is that food intersects with so many aspects of our daily life. If we can fold in some of these higher level concepts where they can think a little bit more about what it is they're cooking, how they're serving it, to whom they're serving, and those sorts of things. You're really looking at the power of food, the meaning of food, in order to accomplish so much more than just serving a nice plate of food. That's what culinary diplomacy is.
You can create something that could have this eye-opening experience to a person. I had never thought about it that way. Culinary diplomacy helped me open my eyes to the potential of this skill set.
Food is the only thing I think in this world that has the power to fix everything.
Our students had the opportunity to work with some visiting American chefs to highlight food diplomacy, culinary diplomacy.
So you all know why we're here tonight? Have fun, that's really why we're here.
I think it's cool to think about food in those terms. A thing that's going to bring people together, a source of inspiration or a source of celebration. It does get me excited to learn a little bit more about it. When you look at your job as something that you can be passionate about, that you can be proud of, and that can inspire other people, it makes what you're doing so much more exciting. That's what culinary diplomacy does for cooking and baking.